Well, hello. Welcome to our quick win Google session, where today we are going to look at using Google Sheets to create registers. This is brought to you by the EdTech Demonstrator Consortium based at Hambleton Primary Academy, Ribblesdale and High Furlong. So just a quick bit about myself. My name is Michael Goldie. I'm a Year 5 teacher and EdTech lead at Hambleton Primary Academy. I've been teaching 10 years and have always been passionate about using technology within teaching and learning. So today, using Google Forms, we're going to do a live demo. And within that, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Sheet for your register, how to prepare some tabs, setting up a few simple formulas, and then how to share it with your staff. So first of all, why on earth would we set our registers up on Google Sheets? Well, the first thing is that it was really important from lockdown that we had a way of preparing our registers online in real time without the children having to go around the corridors collecting all the registers. A lovely job for my Year 5s, which they miss. However, the problem is that we needed to reduce footfall around the school. So the best way to do that is by creating an online and live register. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to share my screen with you. And I'm also now going to go to my Google Drive file stream, which is embedded within the actual Windows File Explorer. So I have downloaded Google Drive file stream. You click it in there and you click on shared drives and it takes me straight to my Hambleton shared area. Now, just by looking at this, as you can see, there are loads of different tabs which update straight away through the stream system. But up the top here, nice and clearly, we've put registers up there. And we're currently on Autumn 1. Now, I've done a quick test copy. And when you come through straight to this, you can see it goes straight through to this test email. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go through this sort of spreadsheet, this Google Sheet, and show you how it works. So first of all, you would set it up like you would with a normal Google Sheets, a normal spreadsheet, sorry. It's just Google Sheets. There's not much difference in them, really. So you add new tabs down the bottom for each year group, and then you set up a simple table, put your kids down the side, and then all of these here just represent morning, afternoon, and whoever's on lunches. And then in this box here, should I say, you just put your simple formulas in, count if, which adds up how many people are in. So here, if I click on morning, I go in there, and as you can see, the tally starts changing up. Now, the beauty of this is once you share it, as you can see up here, if I click share, what happens is, here's all the staff in our school. Once you share it with them, they have the same access to that same register through the Google Drive, just as you do. And you can have as many people on there as necessary at the same time, all performing different tasks in different tabs, and it updates live. You don't need to save anything, and it works fantastic. We also have our after school club list on here, so the teachers can see who's in after school club, and the manager of the after school club updates that on a weekly basis. So that there is all of the Google Sheets for this the register. This is also shared with our business manager, and she can see it real time who's in on a daily basis and who's not. And she's told me it's been really effective in helping her just keep organized and making sure that we reduce footfall around those corridors. So once you've set up your Google Sheets, actually, firstly, I'll just show you where you can find a Google Sheet from. So it's simple again. You go to www.google.com, click return, and up here on the array, once again, go down until you find Sheets. And as you can see here, just like with forms in previous quick wins I've published, you can see all of the different spreadsheets, Google Sheets we've done. Now, as you can see here, here's that test copy. Once you create the test copy in all your tabs, all you have to do is click share it with the people, and also make sure you save it where you want it. So for example, here, if we're going to make a copy, we will make a copy and then do another copy there. But let's say you've just got to make sure that it's saved in the correct place, okay? And you do that simply by clicking on the Move tab there. And by going there, you can go through and put it in the correct place on your Google Drive. Just before I leave you today, I'm just going to discuss how you can contact us if you want any further support. Just bear with me a second. So if you do wish for any further support, you can, bear with me. You can contact us through the EdTech Demonstrator Project, which is run through the London Grid for Learning. So if you Google that, there's a form on there and you can just fill it in. Further to this, you can also go to the Google for Educational Help web page, which has loads of advice about how to set things up back of house. If you wish to speak to me directly, my Twitter handle is there highlighted, which is @GoldieTeach. Thank you.